financial freedom, a better life. In today's economic climate, these goals seem more important than ever. That's why so many people are turning to Forex education, so that they can learn how they might harness the skill of Forex trading. Forex, or the foreign exchange market, is the largest global financial market in the world. Trillions of dollars change hands every day. Successful traders have learned how to read the markets like the professionals do. With the right education, you too can learn how to use Forex trading to help you create additional income from anywhere in the world, right from your phone. You don't need a financial background to be successful. Anyone has the ability to learn how to do it. In fact, if you've ever converted your money to another currency while on vacation, you've already participated in Forex. Forex trading can be an additional way to build income for financial freedom for a better lifestyle. You don't need expensive advisors or a net worth in the millions, but you do need proper education to learn how to manage risk and read the markets. Our Forex educational platform was designed by Forex professionals to help you develop the professional mindset you will need to begin to create a consistent Forex trading strategy. Our educational platform provides daily market analysis from professional traders, high-quality trade ideas sent to your mobile device, online tools that you can access on any device, a complete training system with both beginner and advanced Forex training, including how to understand and take advantage of cryptocurrencies, specialized trading styles suited for your experience and education level. And if you're just getting started, we'll even show you how to hone your skills in a risk-free demo environment so you won't lose money while you continue to learn. Stop watching others succeed. With Travorium, you finally have an education and business model that you can use to start achieving your financial freedom. Travorium. A better life requires a better way.